Hi, I'm David Owasi here, founder of Outreach Genius. And Outreach Genius is a fully automated system of AI voice agents that will pick up your phone 24/7 and follow up on every single quote and keep your calendar as a HVAC company doing over $2 million a year. It will keep it packed with profitable installs. Now, what does that mean? Well, it means no more scrambling to hire extra staff during the busy seasons and paying them to sit idle when things are slow. And also, no more paying pricey call centers or answering services that still miss your calls and drop the ball and provide inconsistent experiences to your customers. Our AI voice agent will answer every call 24/7 the right way every single time. Now, before building software, I actually did run my own home services company for over 5 years, and it was a residential painting business that I scaled to multiple seven figures. So I really understand where you are as a business owner in the home services space. I understand the grind. I understand missing calls and scrambling to hire during peak season, then paying them to sit idle in the slow months, burning through your revenue, and hiring and training reps due to turnover with them quitting and missing high ticket installs because no one is following up. I truly understand you. So our AI voice agent answers 100% of your calls in less than 3 seconds, and we also chase every quote that you've done that is in your CRM until it's either booked or it's dead. If you have multiple locations, we can route leads and calls by zip codes to the right tech in the field so that way they're not wasting time traveling all over the city. And we also do live transfers. So you sometimes have customers that maybe have a burning question or they want to speak to a real human being. We can do live transfers to your team in real time so they can pick up the conversation. And we also integrate with your existing CRM. Regardless of what CRM you're using, we're able to integrate and play nicely with your system. And we guarantee 10 plus booked installs in 30 days from campaign launch, or we're running for free. So all of this is to show you that we are here to help your business go to the next level. So here's some examples of companies that was able to leverage our AI agent to generate results for their business. Summit Climate got 32 installs in their first 10 days and missed call rate was reduced by 98%. Valley Green saw 19 new installs from their code list in the first 14 days, and Dream Home Reno added about $600,000 in revenue in 90 days without any extra hires. This same agent and still same guarantee. So we install the agent into your business, done for you, and there's a one-time setup fee for us to do all of the connections to your existing system, and then from there it's paid per usage based on minutes. And if the AI agent doesn't book 10 installs in 30 days for your company, we work for free until it does. It's pretty simple. So why are you actually losing money? After speaking to dozens of HVAC companies like yours, I've learned a few things. Number one reason is missing calls. So most HVAC companies are losing up 30% of calls because they go to voicemail, whether it's because they're calling over the weekends or in the evenings, no one is picking up the phone. Number two reason is that if you're using a call center or an answering service, most of these services provide inconsistent experience because they're juggling many other companies alongside yours and they're dropping the ball with your customers. They don't just understand your business in the details that is needed for them to serve your customers really well. And then the third reason that I've learned from speaking to a lot of HVAC founders like yourself is that dozens of estimates just sit and don't turn into revenue because no one is following up on time. So your reps are out there doing quotes and no one else is following up to make sure that those quotes turn into actual revenue and cash collected. The fourth reason I've learned is hiring chaos. So during busy seasons, you need more staff, so you hire those staff because you need to deal with all the inbound opportunities. And then when things slows down, you can't really afford all this staff and you're burning money paying them even though there's not enough work for them. That stings. The fifth reason I've learned is that if you're using a service like Angie or Home Advisor, if you're not forced to the call, you're still paying for that lead and you're losing that money to other contractors who are able to get to those leads in time. And that is a big money drainer because you're paying Angie or Home Advisor regardless of whether you made that business or not. The sixth thing I've learned is that you are not activating past leads or customers because they again sit untouched with zero follow-ups. Customers you did work for last year or people who expressed interest last year, you need to be able to reach out to them and follow up as quickly as possible. And also the seventh thing I've learned is that techs are wasting hours driving across town to the wrong jobs because there is no system to route jobs to the right tech based on the zip codes in the city. So you want to be very smart by routing the right call to the right tech in different areas of the city. And if this sounds familiar to you any of this point, every owner I've spoken to in the HVAC space is dealing with this. So you're not unique in dealing with this problem. So how do you solve all of these problems with AI? Well, at Outreach Genius, we have built a network of 5 AI voice agents that will be installed in your business, working together to solve all this problem. Agent number one is the Ring Silver agent. And this agent is just sitting there to answer every inbound call that comes into your business 24/7. If the homeowner wants to book a quote, it's right there to schedule them. Or if they want a live transfer to speak to a real human being, the AI agent can do that. It qualifies this prospect. Number two is the quote closer agent that will automatically calls every open estimate and won't quit until the customer either says, yes, I'm good to go, or they're not interested anymore. The third agent is the revival agent that will call and text your cold CRM list and books maintenance and replacement jobs that you forgot about. So this will go into your CRM, finds all those opportunities and maximize them for you. The fourth agent is the zip router agent that will send calls to the right tech or the right location based on postal codes, zip codes, so that nobody's driving an hour for a 10 minutes job. And then the fifth agent is the no-show rescue agent that will rebook canceled or missed appointments automatically. And the beautiful thing about all of these agents is that they're not complicated to set up at all. It takes a few hours to get all these agents up and running, personalized to your specific business and your offer so that you can start seeing more installs right away. It's pretty magical, actually. If you're ready to plug the revenue leaks in your business, there are two ways to test us at Outreach Genius. The first way to experience our AI agent is to actually call 906-483-9857, the number on your screen, and you can talk to our AI agent live, no sales speech, just proof of what our AI agent can do and what your customers will experience as well. The second way is to hit the button below to book a discovery call so that we can better understand the unique nature of your business, your goals, and create a custom game plan for how you can best use our AI agents to grow your revenue and take you to the next level. If you're ready to stop losing installs to voicemail and you're ready to let AI to take things to the next level in your business, we are ready to help you with that journey. So let Outreach Genius answer every call, close every quote, and keep your best techs busy all year. If you're ready for that transformation, I'd love you to book that call. Click the button below, and I'll see you on the walkthrough where we'll show you how our AI agent is a good fit for your business and take you to the next level.